Ungkapan tadi juga dapat kita gunakan kalau kita memilih antara dua kegiatan dan menyatakan kegiatan mana yang kita inginkan.
Would you rather play tennis or stay at home?
I'd rather play tennis.
Pemakaian ungkapan would you prefer agak berbeda dengan would you rather. Demikian juga jawabannya. Coba dengarkan.
Would you prefer to play tennis or stay at home?
Perhatikanlah, kata prefer diikuti oleh kata to kalau dipakai dengan kata kerja. Tetapi,
would you rather play tennis or stay at home?
Sesudah would rather, kata to tidak dipakai. Sekarang, mari kita berlatih mengganti would you prefer to dengan would you rather. Coba ikuti dulu contoh berikut.
Would you prefer to go by bus or by train?
Would you rather go by bus or by train?
Sekarang, coba lakukan latihan berikut. Jangan lupa, kata to tidak dipakai sesudah kata rather. Dan ulangilah jawaban yang betul sesudah Iwan.
Would she prefer to watch TV or read?
Would she rather watch TV or read?
Would you prefer to go by bus or by car?
Would you rather go by bus or by car?
Would they prefer to study or rest?
Would they rather study or rest?
Baiklah. Chris dan Iwan telah bekerja keras, bukan? Demikian juga saudara sekalian. Saudara pendengar, saat ini hari Sabtu pagi, dan Lucia, Iwan, dan Chris sedang duduk di halaman sambil minum limun dan teh es.
Gosh, it's hot.
It isn't as hot as Jakarta.
I know. Actually, I prefer Sydney's weather to Jakarta's. Would you like some lemonade, Lucia? Or some iced tea?
I'd prefer lemonade, thanks.
Iwan dan Lucia akan berbicara tentang apa yang ingin mereka lakukan nanti sore. Tetapi Chris sedang melamun tentang bulan. Dalam bahasa Inggris, the moon.
What are we going to do this afternoon?
I'd like to go to the beach.
Oh, I'd rather sit here in the shade. I want to relax.
What about you, Chris? What do you want to do?
Chris masih saja melamun tentang bulan. Dia sedang mencoba mengingat kembali lagu lama yang berjudul Terbangkan Daku ke Bulan, dalam bahasa Inggris, Fly Me to the Moon. Coba dengarkan.
Chris, what do you want to do?
I'd like to go to the moon.
The moon?
Yes, I want to go to the moon, and I'd like you to come with me, Lucia.
Oh, Chris.
I want to be an astronaut. I'd like to be the first Australian on the moon. Would you like to be the first Italian on the moon, Lucia?
Certainly not. I'd rather stay here.
Can I come with you, Chris? I'd like to be the first Indonesian on the moon.
I want you to come, Ewan. I want someone to come with me.
Chris, you aren't serious, are you?
Yes, I am. I want to see the man in the moon.
When do you want to leave, Chris?
I want to leave soon. Today. This afternoon. Is your passport okay for the moon, Ewan?
Certainly.
Good. Now, Lucia, this is your last chance. Do you want to come with us to the moon?
No, thanks. I prefer the Earth to the moon. When will you return, Chris? Next week?
Yes, I will. Well, Lucia, goodbye. Goodbye. I'll see you soon. Oh, well, perhaps after all I'd prefer to sit here and drink iced tea.
Ternyata Chris tidak akan pergi ke bulan. Dia hanya berkelakar saja. Nah, saudara pendengar, sekian pelajaran kita untuk hari ini. Tetapi jangan lupa membaca bagian kedua dari pelajaran tadi dalam buku saudara. Dan pelajarilah bagian pertama dari pelajaran nomor 63 sebelum siaran berikutnya. Dan sekarang,